Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on and also how to use Samsung secret mode. First, as you can see, the icon is right beside the camera icon right here. We're going to go into Samsung Internet. Now, Samsung secret mode allows you to browse the internet without saving your browsing history. Because as you can see here, this is the regular browser. And if I should tap on the browser right here and go into history, you'll be able to see my browsing history here. But if I was to use Samsung secret mode now, how to go into Samsung secret mode? You're going to tap on the two boxes right beside the three dashes in the bottom right hand corner where you see one. And from there, you're going to see turn on secret mode. You want to tap on that. And now you would tap on new tab. And from there, you'll be able to search for anything without fear of the history being saved. For instance, here. And you can simply browse just like you'll normally do. As you can see there, nobody is logged in. That's the beauty about secret mode. Now to turn it off, you will simply tap on the two boxes again, right at the bottom there. And you will simply tap on turn off secret mode. That's it. And if you were to tap on new tab and then tap on the three dashes in the bottom right hand corner and tap on history, you will realize that the search that I did a while ago wasn't saved. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.